let me just give you some specs on this hair before I get into the tutorial. So this hair was sent to me by Longqi hair company. It came in this really pretty box, and I got the length 26, 26, 24, and a 20-inch closure of their Brazilian curly. Now, they sent me 4 bundles and a closure. I made this hair into a wig just so it's more easy to maintain and stuff like that, because yeah, it's curly hair, and we all know curly hair is like super hard to deal with, especially if it's sewn in. So far I've had the hair for a few days now. I wanted to wear it and, you know, test it out before I did this little review. But so far this is like probably